In this session, let us try to understand what is network protocol. Okay, what is network protocols? Why they are there at first place. So this session going to be very deep. If you understand this, you don't need to look at other resources to understand network protocols again. Okay, so let us try to understand what is network protocols. So how the network protocol evolves, let's understand that first. Okay, so what happens initially? For example, you want to send a letter. Consider that you want to send a letter. Okay, you are here, you have written a letter, you want to send a letter. So what you will do? You have written a letter, you will put it into the mailbox. Okay, you have put there, and you are hoping now that someday the letter will be sent to the other person B. Okay, you are hoping that it will get sent, but understand that there are no stamp, okay, no stamp, no address written properly, okay, no rules, okay, no pin codes, okay, there are no rules, nothings. So now can you tell me whether your letter will get received at B or not? No, right? It is obvious your letter cannot be received at B because there are no rules at all. So to make sure that your letter goes to B, you want to fix these things, right? That is what your postal system fix it, right? Or multiple courier services fix it, right? Courier services fix it. So this postal system is what is network protocols. Okay. In digital world. So in digital world, what problem people used to face is, see, now we have a HP company, we have IBM for example, we have Microsoft, okay, we have multiple companies. They used to manufacture their own PCs, they used to set up their own networks, right? They used to do that. Now what they used to do initially is, if you are buying a HP system, then you need to set up a HP network, then only your computer used to communicate each other. You don't have a interoperability or intercommunication between these different system. Means HP system cannot communicate with IBM because HP was using its own rule for communication, IBM is using its own rule for communication, and Microsoft is also using own rules of communication. So the intercommunication was very difficult. To fix this problem, network protocols came into picture. So all these brands, right, whoever design a PCs, systems or devices or any other devices, take today we have multiple devices, right? We have multiple devices like mobile, you have tablets, right? You have laptops, right? You have servers, big servers, you have lot of applications. IoT devices, for example. Now IoT devices means you have a smart watch. For example, you have a smart watch which has its own operating system. It is also a device. It also has to communicate to your mobile, right? How it will communicate? So protocol. So that's where the protocol fix this problem. Okay. So what protocol did is, protocol defined a language for communication, that if one system needs to talk to other system, then you need to use the same language. It's like an English language, right? For example, nowadays English is a global language. So if the Indian person who knows Hindi talks to the other person in US in Hindi, they might not able to understand. But if they talk in English, right, both can able to communicate. So similar way, network protocols does that work for us in digital world. So network protocols can use everywhere, wherever your system communicates with other system, right? Network protocol plays a part. So today, if you open any website in your system, it is communicating to the backend server. So you are using a network protocols, and that we will see what kind of protocols is used. We will see everything here. Okay. So now till here, I think you have understood now how the network protocol, what is the need of network protocols, right? Now, one more thing is, you are seeing nowadays, we are seeing, initially we used to send messages, right? When we were having those Nokia phone, we used to send messages, simple message. Today, we are using WhatsApp. Everybody use WhatsApp, right? WhatsApp, everybody use. Now, WhatsApp can send a messages, videos, audios, everything, and real time. As soon as this guy send a message, this guy will receive. As soon as this guy have seen the message, the acknowledgement will be sent, right? All these things, how those are developed. And let us say WhatsApp came in 2021, but we were communicating since 2000, right? Then why nobody has developed it in 2000? Then the answer lies in the network protocol. The network protocols was not developed enough in 2000. So that's why if you see, right, in 2000 we used to send only a text messages. There were no video messages, no image messages, right? So as the network protocol evolves over a period of time, they added the capability of sending images, sending live messages, facilitating video communication, streaming. All this is possible because of network protocols. So whatever AI applications, whatever we are using nowadays, right, network protocol is a backbone of it, right? So this is what is network protocol and why we need it.